the big spoons go? There's a spoon. This one's, look, this one's bigger though. We'll put the big ones. We'll watch that one again.
I guess this is the perfect size for me now.
Okay, don't lick them, Leroy. Just put them in the drawer, okay?
Hey, this is way too big.
Here.
Can you get this for
Good job.
me, Oma? Can you get this?
You call me Mom.
Yeah.
That one's little. Look, Leroy, this one is littler. So we're going to put it with the little spoons. Good job.
Mom, it has to be like that.
Here, this one. But this one that's too big or too little. See? Okay, go. Yay!
Leroy, say, I did it.